Thinking of making any additional investments in your existing mutual fund schemes? Well, we can help you with that. Hello and a very warm welcome to our viewers come investors out there. This is Devyani from Moneyplus, and today I'll be guiding you through the process of making additional investments in your existing mutual fund schemes using our MyMoneyplus portal. So without any further ado, let's get started.
First things first, you have to visit our website my.moneyplus.in and log in into your account with your email and password credentials. Once you've done that, it takes you to your dashboard, which gives you a glimpse of the investments you have made so far. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find a reports option on the navigation bar. Clicking on the same would open a drop-down menu from where you have to select portfolio valuation. This opens up a screen where you find a detailed view of all the mutual fund investments you have made so far in various schemes. From the list, find the scheme into which you want to add more money and click on the card icon situated right beside the name of the scheme. This opens up a pop-up for order application form where you have to fill the transaction details. Since this is an additional purchase, you're naturally going to select the option for purchases from the transaction type and then accordingly choose the scheme type, which is growth in our case. Now, enter the amount you wish to invest and click on the Transact Now, which enables the option of letting you choose the payment mode. Here, I am opting for making a payment through a debit mandate. This would allow my registered bank to deduct the said funds from my account the very next day towards the payment for the additional purchase. Alright, now choose your bank and double check all the details. Finally, click on the Place Order option. After having cross-checked all the details, click on the hyperlink which reads confirming the transaction of MFS application. Alternatively, you can also copy and paste the link below directly onto your browser. Clicking on any of these links would open a page wherein you again find the details of your transaction and an option to either accept or reject the order. Accepting the same would successfully have executed your additional purchase. Once you accept the order, this would successfully execute your additional purchase transaction and the same would get reflected on your investment hub in the coming 2 to 3 business days.
And that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to drop in your comments and queries down in this video. Happy investing!